Today we're going to learn a little bit about how to change a shape into a form. What we're looking at are just basic shapes like triangles, circles, and squares that are actually turned into three-dimensional objects, as you can see in this three-dimensional value scale. In some cases, it's as simple as just tracing the shape of an object. When changing a triangle into a cone, it is a fairly simple process because we just recreate the triangle that we have here. In this case, this is a 3-inch triangle at the base, and so I simply draw the image of a 3-inch line. To get this even, I'm going to mark at the 1.5-inch mark here so that I have a line to find the tip of my triangle. In this case, I line it up with that dot and create another dot. And I'm simply going to just connect the dots. And that's how we draw a cone. Drawing other shapes such as pyramids, or even drawing the cones and the spheres, at any point you need to always make sure you have your measurements correct. Cylinders can be easily done if you start with a basic rectangle that is the correct size and then work your way out from that with a curve. Measurement is a very important part of getting the correct size and shape of the object itself. When drawing cubes, we start off with a square and what I call the falling kite. Just has a line that comes from the corner, and then we match up with those corners to make it even. We also do the back of our square the same way by matching up the corners. Now that we have our forms drawn, I'm going to show you how to actually go about shading the objects. For this last part, I'm going to show you how to do basic shading for a still life. We need to have the light source chosen, and we also need to label where our light, medium, and dark is on our individual shapes. We also need to show where the shadows are cast from the away from the sunlight. And then we will go in and actually do the shading of our objects. And there we have our generic still life.